welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and for all the new people that are stopping by, a big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and turn notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Today I've got three really exciting things to share with you. Firstly, what came in the post this week, which is the LASHIFY Prismatic lashes. Secondly, I decided to go by the really cool YouTuber James Charles range of MORPHE, and his eyeshadows are so colorful, so I thought it would go really well with the prismatic lashes. And lastly, I can't wait to share a freebie with you, so stay tuned. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm trying out the C range because if you've seen my other videos, I've tried the A range, which is the very basic one. Then I went to the B, which is the bold, and C is for curl. But I've read that there's a lot more lashes in the C, so it should be maybe thicker than A, but not as bold as B. So we'll have a look at those in the next video. I've got blue or royal blue, which I got in 14 and 12. I'm going to put the 12 at the ends and 14 closer to the edges of my eye to give it the cat eye look. I've got, what do they call this? It's a purple. Violet, again in C14 and C12. So I just wanted to show you how I pack my lashes. This is the B12. And because we can't see it, I just want to show you these really cool pens. Whoops. And the blue can run out, but doesn't matter. I'm like 12 on these ones, B, because you can't see them. So that's C12, 12. Yeah. Can you see it? There's a tail. So I just want to show you these boxes, your medicine boxes from your $2 shop. They're so convenient because when I travel, it's a four-sided thing, which is perfect because I can just put my lashes in here and I have them all ready to use in a really small box. So I don't have to bring this. I bring this into my makeup box with the tool. And then when they get dirty, they go into the last little container, which is why there's so many in there now, because I've used them all. So I'm going to go refill these as well right now. And then 10 goes here. I need 2. They go in my inner corner. 12 and 4. And then 14, I just need 1 on each side. Just so you guys can see, this is what it looks like. B10, B12, B14, and 30. So I popped my makeup and got this box of James Charles MORPHEs. I'm very excited to have a look. And I got some brushes to go with it too. I don't normally do eye makeup, so this is my first time. Wish me luck. It came with a present. It's like VIP day. I'm just going to show you what it is. Got like I don't know what it says, but it's a circle of letters. It is, there's lip shades, shimmer lipstick, and wipes. Oh my gosh, there's words in there. I think this is to dab color on, and these are to like blend it in. Right, this one I'm excited about. It's so pretty. I'm opening, okay? It says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy colorful outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist." Okay, that's a lot of pressure. Ooh. This is it. Ooh, shiny. Oh, it's magnetic. Ooh. That's a lot of names to learn. Okay. Wish me luck. We're gonna try to do something with this. I feel a little bit scared by the amount of variety in here. There's one called Punch Me. Like, I don't understand why have this like name on the actual film thing. I think they should have just printed the name on the packaging cardboard itself. This is really like, makes no sense. Come on, seriously. So I'm gonna do purple, blue, green, yellow at the top, and then at the bottom I'm gonna do purple, pink to finish off. I'm gonna do this eye because I can see it, yeah? I'm just gonna pack the concealer on freaking eye so that it stays. My nose is really itchy. Okay, I'm just using, you can use a credit card, but I'm just using this so that I don't go overboard with the purple. So with the James Charles MORPHE, there was so many colors, so I tried the rainbow side. I used the Playground for the blue, the Social Blade for the green, the Bee for the yellow, and the Skip for the pink. The easiest way to remember it, go for the brightest, lightest colors for the rainbow. Then you'll get a really nice effect. Oh my gosh, it's so purple. That is really purple. Okay, I'm gonna go to blue now. Because I need to go blue teal really quick. So we go to teal now. Okay, now I'm gonna put more purple. Roughly got the shape I want. It looks so weird. I never have this many colors on me. Okay, I need to bring it up more. Pink. I think it's this pink. Okay, I need to get up to there. Looks so weird. Now yellow. Yep, I definitely look like a tool now. It's very pigmented, these colors. Like, it's very like opaque. It's not translucent. Like between good Crayolas and bad crayons when you're a kid. The good crayons, you only have to color once and then you can see the vivid colors. Like bad crayons, you'll have to go through like a few layers before you can see anything. I'm trying to stretch my eye. I don't know how to stretch my eye without doing it in the face. Oh, this purple looks kind of funky. I don't know if I should have matched the colors or make it contrasting because it's a little bit like blending into the background. C14 in the blue. Teal. You can still see my black lashes behind it. I think you have to stack these. Ugh. Okay, done. For the other eye, I wanted to see whether the rainbow color prismatic lashes would stand out with a more natural look. So I used the Benny for my dark inner shadow, and then I used this really nice Shook for most of the eye, the Boutique for the big shadow, and the shimmery bit is Face, this really nice color. I've also put a little bit of white in my inner corner of the eyes to make the eyes pop. Have a look, let me know what you think. It's a bit of fun. I wouldn't wear it to teach, to work, but I definitely wear it with my face paints when I go out as a fairy. Oh, this is really dark. Like, the white is really nice. Like, I look like one of them makeup tutorial chicks, yeah? Dun, 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 dun. Done. I'm not used to these colors on my eyelashes. They are very, very, they're a little bit more faint than your black, nice, long lashes. So I think I'm gonna stick to black for most of my LASHIFY orders. But I do love the Morphe for not so expensive set of eyeshadow. It's actually very vibrant, very vivid colors. I think you can see from the photos that they're not translucent at all. So these are very, very solid in color, and I really like that, because it means you save so much time putting your makeup on. And I love the range because, as you can see, you can go from a very natural look to a very crazy look. So if you're going out for parties, there's so many colors in here. You can do so many combinations. I don't think I need to buy any eyeshadows for, I don't know, another 20 years. I don't usually put makeup on, and this pretty much covers every event I would go to. So I hope you enjoyed watching me try out this eyeshadow set for the first time with the prismatic lashes. This is my first time making an eyeshadow video, and honestly I don't usually put this much makeup on myself, so it was kind of exciting. Let me know if you like the fairy crazy look more, or the natural look, which made the prismatic rainbow lashes stand out more. Aside from that, I love LASHIFY so much that I would love to share it with you. So for the most thoughtful comment down below, I will send out everything you need to start trying out the lashes, and I'll private message you, and all you have to do is send me your address and I'll send it to you. So stay tuned for my next video, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.